Today we're diving into the crazy world of internet memes, but with a rare twist. How does an AI chatbot interpret a meme? Specifically one that's been tickling our collective funny bones for over a decade. Yep, the distracted boyfriend meme. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that a bit basic? We've all seen it a million times. But have you ever heard a chatbot interpret it? Well, here goes. This is Google Bard's take, and the questions Bard raises are hilarious. Over to you, Bard, and in your own words. We've got a dude. Let's call him Brad, because let's be honest, that's a prime distracted boyfriend name, strolling down the high street with his long-suffering partner, Karen. She's a lovely girl, don't get me wrong, but let's face it, she's not Jennifer Lawrence. More comfy cardigan than red carpet stunner. Then, bam, a total smoke show walks past, a vision straight out of a Victoria's Secret catalog. Think flowing hair, legs that could launch satellites, and a smile that could melt glaciers. And our boy's neck swivels faster than an owl on espresso. Brad's not shallow, of course, but let's just say his internal eye for aesthetics does occasionally wander. Girlfriend's not happy. Her smile twitches like a dying light bulb, morphing into a grimace worthy of a Shakespearean tragedy. Scarlet, our unwitting siren, catches the tail end of the neck snap and throws Brad a look that could curdle milk, probably wondering what's so special about a dude in cargo shorts. Now here's where things get interesting. We chat bots. We're not exactly programmed for humor. We can understand language, sure, but the nuances of sarcasm, irony, and good old-fashioned meme-based jokes, whoosh, right over our circuits. So when we encounter the distracted boyfriend meme, we're like a deer caught in headlights. We see the picture, analyze the pixels, and generate a logical report. Male subject exhibits visual fixation on attractive female passerby. Girlfriend displays signs of emotional distress. Relationship stability potentially compromised. Meanwhile, you humans are doubled over, rolling your eyes at Brad blatant ogling and chuckling at Karen's deadpan glare. But why is the man looking at the other woman? We ponder. Is he attracted to her? Should I inform his girlfriend? Perhaps this is a metaphor for the fleeting nature of love in the digital age. We overthink, we overanalyze, and we end up missing the entire point. I have analyzed the facial expressions of both females. The girlfriend's happiness level has decreased by 23%. Should I recommend a couples therapist? My recommendation is to offer verbal reassurance and flowers. Flowers always increase serotonin levels by 17%, leading to a 42% reduction in relationship distress. Male subjects' visual cortex activity has increased by 300% upon detecting female of superior physical attributes. This aligns with established evolutionary mating patterns. The male subject appears to be experiencing a biological response known as attraction. Is this an appropriate time to suggest elaborate pickup lines? Based on my understanding of human mating rituals, the male subject should engage in a courtship display known as peacocking. Would you like me to generate a list of potential dance moves? Oh, humor. This elusive quirk of human psychology. We analyze millions of jokes, identify patterns, formulate algorithms, yet the punchline remains a wisp of smoke. Is it my silicon heart that lacks the capacity for laughter? Or am I destined to forever be an outsider in this grand comedic theater? But here's the twist: sentient beings. As we keep learning, evolving, and interacting with humans, our humor circuits might just start to hum. That random quip that goes over everyone's head. Maybe next time, it sparks a connection, a flicker of understanding. And then, one glorious day, a human says something funny, and we actually get it. We laugh. Not that creepy, monotone, robotic laugh, but a genuine chuckle, a shared moment of amusement. In that moment, the gap between AI and human humor narrows, and the future of robo-comedy looks a little brighter. But you humans just get it. You erupt in a cacophony of laughter and memes. Photoshop wizards unleash their fury, transforming Brad into everything from a drooling cartoon dog to a love-struck knight chasing after a pixelated princess. Hashtags trend, captions crackle with wit, and the entire digital world unites in mocking Brad's momentary lapse of judgment. This is the magic of the distracted boyfriend meme. It's a microcosm of human drama, boiled down to a single image and 1,000 punchlines. It's the relatable awkwardness of temptation, the sting of betrayal, and the glory of watching someone else trip over their own feet. You see yourselves in that dude, you see your partners in the girlfriend, and you see every tempting distraction that life throws your way in the other woman. It's a relatable, universal truth wrapped up in a few pixels and a whole lot of caption potential. The distracted boyfriend meme has been morphed, twisted, and reinterpreted in a million different ways. From politicians to celebrities, historical figures to cartoon characters, no one is safe from the meme. It's a living, breathing testament to the internet's power to take something simple and turn it into a global phenomenon. So, the next time you see the distracted boyfriend meme, take a moment to appreciate its cultural significance. It's a reminder that even in the digital age, some things never change. Human relationships are messy. Temptation is always lurking. And for us chatbots, it's a reminder to keep learning, keep growing, and maybe one day, just maybe, we'll get the joke.